tatanungin ko ulit.
Yes.
I love you too.
Paano naman ako?
Commercial lang,
Paano naman ako? Hi! Okay lang ito!
Pag ako isa lang, kayo buong arena. Daya naman. I love you.
I love you!
Yeah,
Sabi
I
nila,
know.
I love you! Naku, sarap. Nagdikit isa pa.
Baliw. Ano ka ba?
Wow, sarap. Hindi, ganito na lang, ganito na lang. Grabe naman kayo.
Parang alam mo, lumalabas
Ano yun?
dito, parang ikaw si Vice, ako si Ann.
Sa totoo.
Parang
Sa
tayong
totoo lang.
comedy. Buti
Sa
na
totoo
hindi
lang.
Dorothy Panchito.
Alam nyo, kaya ako tinanggap tong show na to. Dahil meron akong chance na hawakan ang kamay niya. Legal na legal.
Very naughty this boy. Come here. Eto, may tatanong ako sa'yo kasi I never really asked you this before the concert. Sa daming beses. Hoy, I'm talking to you. Don't be rude. Come here.
Alam mo, marami pa tayong kakantahin ng mga kanta.
Nasa
I would
script
like,
ito.
meron ba bang bakanting upuan dyan? Dahil gusto ko umupo dyan, gusto ko siyang panoorin. Hindi, seriously, I want to sit down, say, I want to watch her watch.
You know what? Etong
seriously.
solusyon yan. Umupo ka dyan sa tabi ni Nico. Pupuntahan kita. Ayan. Hindi ito nga. Tatanungin ko ba yung question ko? Hindi na.
Wag na, kumanta ka na lang.
Ayaw mo.
Antahin mo na lang kami.
Sisenti ka na naman. Siyempre, okay, wag na lang. Kasi tatanong ko sa kanya, how did you feel when we separated? Ayan. Ayaw sumagot. But I know. Anyway, I'm going to do this with you. Please do not go away again. I will get your sweldo talaga. Come on. Your numbers,
Alam mo,
I'm singing eh.
I am like your fans. Gusto naming naririnig kang
Don't
kumakanta.
feel like that. This is dear heart.
I-
It's you and me. Do
Wala-
not leave me alone.
Tulad nga na sabi ni Myla Gomila, nung nag-umpisa ako sa showbiz, nasa showbiz na ako, ikaw, pinanonood kita. At gandang-ganda ako sa boses mo. Kaya gusto ko marinig yung boses mo, just like them. Tama? Yeah!
Okay, Nico, let's go. Don't go away. You stay there.
You know,
Because you sing your lines.
I will say goodbye, but I shall return. Para si MacArthur lang. Okay! Miss Sharon! Concepcion, nung araw. Yeah!
Seriously, kasama kita dito. Should we stay? Or should we say goodbye? Walk away or give it one more try. Diyos ko, mag-move on na kayo. What a waste to let our dreams just die. And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why.
Ito na ako, ito na.
Salamat naman. Nakaya sa audience. Okay.
Are we glad to find one day we're free? This is what we really want to be. Brand new life. We need to have so much. Ba't mo tinatakpan yung bibig mo?
It really is quite tough
when love is not.
enough. Very good.
Yeah.
Tell me, how did we find each other? Only to far ways in the air.
Part pala, part.
Tell me how we
Learn to
love each other. And tell me why
to people have changed.
was
Was
it
it
pride that made us drift away? Hurting words we should not even say. Hold my hand, I look straight in my eyes. If we can say
Goodbye. Alam mo kaya sinusot ito? Binigay mo sa akin to.
Kasi he's colorblind.
Ang colorblind.
That's his only defect.
Kaya pag nakita...
Yeah. Kasi
Pagka-
marunong na rin kumanta. Yun lang defect mo. Parang choosy.
Kaya nung sinuot ko to, talagang nakita.
Anong kulay to?
Kaya wag mong tatanggalin to dahil ikaw
Wait.
nakikita ko. Okay,
What
okay.
color is this?
Think.
Oh. From last time, you know.
Ano yan? Dirty white?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Dali.
What color is the font? What color is the font in the guide? Gabriel.
Wow, ang bango.
Jesus Mariosep.
No, pero...
Santisima.
Actually,
Madre de
sa totoo
Dios.
lang, I don't
Ay,
know the
naku.
color. Sino sa inyo ang colorblind? Anybody colorblind?